What is high-ticket affiliate marketing and how can you use it to quit your 9-to-5 job? How you doing, folks? My name is Dad Learns Money, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use high-ticket affiliate marketing to leave your 9-to-5 job. It's been almost 5 years since I clocked in for a 9-to-5 job, and it's all because of high-ticket affiliate marketing. Now, this is the second video of my new Leave Your 9-to-5 Job series that I've been doing. And throughout this entire series, I'm going to be showing you how you can use high-ticket affiliate marketing even as a complete beginner so that you can leave your 9-to-5 job. But more importantly, I'm going to give you all the tools, the products, and the easiest way possible on how you can make your first $1,000, $2,000, and maybe even $10,000 in high-ticket affiliate marketing commissions even as a complete beginner. So make sure that you watch every single video in this series because I'm going to be revealing every single thing that I've learned that has helped me to never have to work again and can help you quit and leave your 9-to-5 job too. Now, this is Jesse, and he followed the exact same strategies and tactics that I'm going to teach you in this series. And as you can see, he was able to quit his 9-to-5 job in just a few short months. And this is Shemaine, and he was actually a truck driver and even was also addicted to drugs, but even he was able to quit his job and recover and started making income each and every single week by following everything I'm going to teach you in this video. All right, so before I show you what high-ticket affiliate marketing is, I want to show you what affiliate marketing is first. I went to YouTube and I typed in the best camera to buy. And if you're a consumer, whenever you're looking for something to buy, you might go to Amazon or you might go to Google or a place like YouTube and get some information before you actually make the purchase. Now, I'm just using the camera as an example, but whenever you're shopping, you might be looking for a purse or shoes or a watch or whatever that is. But for educational purposes, I'm going to use this camera. And as you can see, all these results popped up on YouTube. The best $500 pro camera, the best first camera to buy, the best budget camera you can buy, the 7 best DSLR cameras you can buy, the best beginner camera, and so on and so forth. So the way that affiliate marketing actually works is you basically buy a product that someone else recommends. And in this case, all these recommendations from all these creators on YouTube are recommending a camera. For example, right here, if I was to click on the top 3 best vlogging cameras in 2023, this creator is recommending the top 3 best vlogging cameras. But the cool thing is, if you go down to his YouTube description, you'll see that he has affiliate links for Amazon that are recommending his best or top 3 vlogging cameras for the year 2023. But here's where it gets cool. With his affiliate links in his description, if I was to click one, it's going to take me to his affiliate page that's recommending that camera. And if I was to purchase this camera, this YouTuber or this content creator would get a commission. But here's the most cool thing about affiliate marketer. This particular content creator, he didn't create the product. He doesn't have to ship the product. He doesn't have to deal with customer support from any complaints or refunds from the customers. All he has to do is just refer people to this link, and when they make a purchase, he gets paid, and that's it. The company that handles the product, and in this case Amazon, takes it from there, and all he has to do is just sit back and collect his commission checks. And as you can see, this particular video has over 52,000 views. Imagine all the people that have watched this video that came here looking for the information of the best vlogging camera to use and have went down in his YouTube description and clicked on his links and actually made a purchase. And as you can see, this particular camera is $700, so he gets a nice chunky commission from each purchase from every customer that makes a purchase using his affiliate link. Now, this example is only talking about Amazon, but I want you to know that it could be for any affiliate marketing program out there. It could be for Walmart. It can also be from Best Buy. It can even be for Target. It doesn't matter because almost 95% of all businesses have an affiliate program. That reason being because having an affiliate program is at no risk to the business. They only pay affiliates when they make a purchase. This is ideal for the business as well as the affiliate marketer because we don't have to create the product, ship the product, or even deal with customers like customer support All we have to do is send traffic to our affiliate link and we get paid with our referrals, make a purchase, and we get the commissions. And just a quick recap, basically what affiliate marketing is, you're sending traffic, and this could be also traffic. Some people say leads, you could say customers, but you're sending people to products that you don't own. And when they make a purchase, then you make money. Now, what we talked about was Amazon, and I've also talked about Digistore and other videos, but the best way that I like to make money is with digital products. Now, the reason I like digital products more so than Amazon or Best Buy or Target or Digistore is because digital products have higher commissions. And the reason being because there's really no overhead on digital products. But what is a digital product? Well, a digital product could be an online course, an ebook, planner. It could also be a software. Basically, it's something that's not actually physical. And usually they're more so like informational products. Now, this graphic that you're looking at is what amateur affiliate marketers use to make money. And I call this the wrong way or the hard way. Now, that does not mean that you can't make money in affiliate marketing using that method. But what I want to show you is a better way for the long term that you can make money with affiliate marketing that will pretty much guarantee that you will be able to quit your 9-to-5 job. So just to make sure you understand, this is not the way I would do it if I were you, and this is also not the way I teach my students in my private community on how to be successful with high-ticket affiliate marketing. And I would say about at least 90% of people are doing it just like this. And if you are one of those people, I highly recommend that you keep watching. Now, high-ticket affiliate marketing is when you're promoting affiliate marketing products that are high in price. So any products that are upwards from $500, $1,000, and even $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, and $5,000 in commissions. These are typically high-ticket courses, high-ticket coaching, or even high-ticket softwares. These type of things will pay you higher commissions and will make it easier for you to quit your 9-to-5 job. Now, a big false belief about high-ticket affiliate marketing is a lot of people think that high-ticket affiliate marketing is only for advanced affiliate marketers and not necessarily for beginners. Let me be the first one to tell you that is false, because that is exactly how I started and also how I teach a ton of new affiliate marketers that I coach within my private community who are already having success with high-ticket affiliate marketing. Is it easier to sell 100 or 200 $10 products on Amazon, or is it easier to sell one high-ticket product that costs $1,000? Of course, it's always easier to sell one thing versus hundreds of them. The only difference between a low-ticket affiliate product and a high-ticket affiliate product is the value. You see, people buy a high-ticket affiliate product because they want to learn the skills that that high-ticket affiliate product offers. I'll give you an example. I wanted to learn how to make money in real estate and how to put my properties and flip them on Airbnb. And I was willing to pay $1,000 plus in order to acquire that information and learn the skill sets required and necessary to be successful in that field. Now, the reason I was motivated to do that is because I knew that if I invested in myself and I acquired that skill set, that I would be able to make money back from that knowledge and make money back for the rest of my life. So if you look at it that way, this is the reason why people buy high-ticket courses, products, and software. It's all because of the value of what those high-ticket affiliate products provide. So at the end of the day, high-ticket affiliate marketing is the best way to quit your 9-to-5 job. I'm going to show you how high-ticket affiliate marketing works, and it's just really a small, simple tweak that a lot of people are doing wrong and not doing that will help you to become successful at high-ticket affiliate marketing, so you'll be able to quit your 9-to-5 job. All right, so now the main difference between regular affiliate marketing and the way I teach my students is not that much different, but you do have to change up some things in order to sell a high-ticket affiliate marketing product. Now, here's a graphic that I want to explain in detail. Now, the first thing I want you to pay attention to is step number 3. Now, with step number 3, this is how you sell a high-ticket affiliate product. And this product is usually going going to be a webinar or a challenge. Now, this is vital to selling a $500 product or a $1,000 product, because people aren't going to buy anything that costly without knowing the value of that product. So the thing that you want to keep in mind is when you're searching for a high ticket affiliate marketing product, you want to make sure that it has these two things, or at least one of these two things: a webinar or a challenge. Now, the next thing that is super essential to selling a high ticket product is you don't want to send people directly to the product page. Instead, you want to send that traffic to an opt-in page. Now, this is a page where you're going to want to collect somebody's name and email. Now, you've probably seen a page like this where you've opted in and gave someone your name and your email address in exchange for something that you wanted of value. Now, this is how you grow your business predictably, the right way, and help you get off your 9-to-5 job. Now, I'm going to explain that in more detail in the next video. But in short, an opt-in page basically helps you collect a name and an email. And this is important because if you're collecting names and emails, then you're going to be able to build your email list. And this is important because if people don't buy, at least not at that particular time, you can store their data and you can send them back to your affiliate product within the email. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is number 2, which is the bridge page. And this is also a vital part of selling a high ticket affiliate marketing product. Now, I want you to think about this logically, okay? Because what we're doing, we're sending people here to buy a product. But the first thing they see when they arrive is their opt-in page. So basically, they're just giving us their email address in exchange for something they want. Now, here's a clear example of an opt-in page. So if you notice here, I'm giving something away for free in exchange for someone's email address. So if I sent traffic to this opt-in page, these people are coming here in order to get this free course, which will help them create and launch a profitable online business that generates passive income. And they would click this button and they would give me their basic information, which is their first name and their email address, in order to get access to this free course. So basically what I'm doing is giving them something of which we call in affiliate marketing a lead magnet. Are you ready to create stunning ebooks and reports? Then look no further. Meet Designer, your all-in-one content creation powerhouse. Using Designer, you can turn your ideas into beautiful professional ebooks and reports effortlessly. Easily import content, customize with their user-friendly editor, and choose from a wide variety of stunning templates. But here's the game changer: the AI feature, Word Genie. Word Genie uses artificial intelligence to create digital informational products in seconds. All you have to do is just provide a topic and it magically generates content for you. I love Designer because it's your content, your way. Get started now. So going back to this graphic, basically the whole goal of the opt-in page is to basically give away something for free and of value in exchange for their email address. So this is the secret sauce. Building an email list is your #1 asset in being successful with high ticket affiliate marketing. Now, in the next video, I'm going to be talking about the power of an email list and how you can use it to quit your 9-to-5 job. Now, after the opt-in page, they get moved to the next step, which is the bridge page. And the whole goal of the bridge page is to transfer authority from you to the high ticket affiliate product. Basically, on this page is just a quick, simple video, 30 seconds to a minute, that explains why they should buy this product. So basically, on this bridge page, say if your name was Becky, you would be saying, hey, my name is Becky, and here's why you should buy the product on the next page, and giving them a little information about that product to help them in the decision of making a purchase. And basically, this product that you're talking about on your bridge page should be something that you're trying to help your target audience with. So it could be losing weight, how to get off their 9-to-5 job, or how to make money online. Whatever that big promise is, you need to mention that on your bridge page. Because keep in mind, we are trying to sell a $1,000, $5,000, or even a $10,000 high ticket affiliate marketing product. And these people need to get to this, what we call webinar or challenge. Now, what is a webinar? A webinar is basically a 90-minute to 2-hour presentation that gets people to buy whatever product that you are selling. It builds up the anticipation and makes it real easy to sell a high ticket affiliate product. Now understand, you as the affiliate, you don't have to create this webinar or this challenge. This right here, this is only the product that you're promoting. This is basically where this page right here, you're just going to collect the emails right here. And then this page is only just meant for just creating trust between you and your prospect or your lead right here. But this right here, the webinar page, this is just simply your affiliate link, okay? You don't have to create this. This is what you're going to search for in an affiliate marketing product. And this is already set up for you. You just have to send traffic that leads to there. So lead to the opt-in page to build trust with your bridge page in order to make money with the webinar challenge. But most importantly, please understand, this is how high ticket affiliate marketing works. And this is how you build a long-term high ticket affiliate marketing business so that you can quit your 9-to-5 job. Now, in the next video of the Leave Your 9-to-5 Job series, I'm going to show you the actual numbers that you need to hit in order to quit your 9-to-5 job. Because if you actually think about it, leaving your 9-to-5 job isn't that hard if you know the goal or the number that you're supposed to hit that's going to empower you to do that. So I'm going to show you how you can take high ticket affiliate marketing and put it into a small, simple goal so that you can use it to quit your 9-to-5 job. So make sure you watch that next video in this Leave Your 9-to-5 Job series, because I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do in order to walk off your 9-to-5 job for good. Now, more importantly, if you stick to the end of the entire series, I'm going to show you how you can copy an entire 7-figure affiliate marketing business and use it as your own. You're not going to believe, nor have you ever seen anything like this, so you definitely want to make sure that you stick around to the end. So just understand and be patient, because you got to learn the skills first before I can teach you and give you the keys to the kingdom. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And as always, you guys stay blessed, and I'll see you on the other side of success.